Alrighty, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with an actual video today. I've been working on building some shelves on this side of the garage to reorganize it because it was a mess for like a month, 2 months. So I got one built. I'll show you it. I got to build another one, but then I'm building the shoe shelf over here because the one that's over there is leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it's really bad. So I want to fix it to where it's bolted against the wall and we can fit more stuff on it. Because right now we can't fit that many things on it. And like I said, it's leaning. Big pet peeve. So we're going to do that. But I'll show you the shelf I already built and then what I'm going to build over here. So this is the shelf I already kind of built. I got to fix some of it. Like I got to get rid of this post for it being this tall. It's too tall. And then I got to build one over here. That's going to be the same one, except it's 3 stacked high. And I might be able to do another shelf up top. I don't know yet. I'll have to build that, but I'll have to get more wood for that because I didn't get enough, which is fine. So yeah, this is the second shelf I'm going to build. The first one didn't go too bad. It took me a very long time, but now I kind of know what I'm doing. So it should make it a whole lot easier. So let's go build the other one. All right, so we're a little FOV moment. So you see how it's really kind of like leaned off to the side? The concrete kind of like starts up here and then goes down. So I'm going to try to do it to where it's just here, straight up, and then straight down. So yeah, we're going to see how this works, see how it goes. And hopefully this goes away and it's wood. So we'll see. All right, I got everything now. Took me a minute to find my stud finder. Couldn't find it. I have the best shoes for this. Crocs. I don't want to hear no hate. If you never wore a pair, get a pair. They're super comfortable. All right. So ideally, I want this to cover the whole wall, which I believe, if I did my measuring right, yeah, it should fit like perfectly in this little corner. So I don't know. Might do this. Might cut them all in half and just make it the whole length of the wall. We'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Let's find some studs in the wall. Sure, I'll probably be able to find one. Oh, look at that first try. So right there. Of course, there's one right by that hole, which is fun. And then there should be another one right here. I don't have to worry about any like water lines or stuff like that in this wall because they're all underneath the ground because this house is on a slab. So now I'm gonna measure it, see how far this is. Alright, I'm gonna make the shelves the whole length. So I'm gonna cut these in half, and then whatever excess is too far, I'll cut it again. I can't measure apparently, so yeah, we're cutting them in half. We're gonna make this just a really long shelf. That don't look like a foot and a foot. It is. Wow. I can't do that again, I don't think. in my pocket. Don't stare at my butt. You know what? We'll stop for there. Stop there for now. Cut one of these in half. That's not bad. It's not too bad for freehanding it. It's not bad at all. I doubt it. I got pretty lucky on that first one. Oh, you know, this isn't too bad. It's like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, actually. I'm literally just kind of freeballing. Freeballing? Eyeballing it. Alright. So I got that first one cut, and it's going to work. So my plan for this, because I got the three marks, which I don't really need all three supports, because we're not putting a bunch of weight on this. It's just going to be shoes. Might put weight at the very bottom. I doubt it. So, shelf should sit like this. And I'm going to make it 6 foot tall, because that's how tall my 2x4s are. So it should look like this. I mean, it's going to be boxed in. It's going to be connected here. So, let's put one of these boards up. So it's going to be something like this. From floor to ceiling, I guess you could say. Yeah, because then I can put a shelf up here. I think all my boots and stuff are going to go at the bottom. I have like 3 pairs of boots that are kind of tall. So I don't know how much gaps I'm going to put in between these. I don't think it's going to be a lot. So let me go ahead and bolt this. Bolt this? Screw this to the wall. Wonder why it wasn't working. I'll say screw, bro. Oops. There we go. Wow. That was something special right there. I'm just super special today, guys. It's pretty straight. Let's try this one more time. There. My goodness. I didn't realize I was using the wrong size screws. I wonder why it wasn't working. Oh, this can still be reused. Alright, let's do one more. I mean, that's not going to go anywhere. Let's try this again. Isn't this a bit of a problem? My leveler is not long enough. Need my drill. Make sure it's level. Wow, that's pretty close. That's first try. So that's on there now. That just broke like a Lego piece. Yeah, sorry, this might be a little bit boring to you guys, but it's exciting for me because I've never done anything like this before. So this is the first. And you know, when you do stuff kind of right, it fits like a glove. I couldn't get better than that right there. Yeah. All right. So I built one shelf. I'm gonna hang it up. I'm gonna stop video for now until I finish all the shelves because my battery is about to die, so I have to grab another one. Yeah, one shelf done. Very over engineered it, which is fine because I don't want it to fall down no matter what I throw on it. So I'm gonna put this up and build all the other ones, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I didn't get done with the shelf because I ran out of screws. I've been using two different style screws, and I have 3 and 5 left. So I'm gonna be done for the day because I am running out of materials, and I'll feel like going somewhere, coming back, and finishing it. So I'll finish this in a part 2, which I didn't know I was gonna do 2 parts, but I'm doing 2 parts. So yeah, let me show you the shelf. There we go. Hit my shin on that thing. It's my shim. so I can get the height. So I got 3 screws holding this on, or so I have 3 screws that are holding the platform up to this board, which I mean, they're obviously it's going to move because I don't have a support down here, but for just kind of going this off the head, the dome, this turned out better than I thought. I'm very pleased with it. And then I got good height down there for my boots, outdoor shoes, my extra shoes, minus my Crocs. And then these are all my wife's shoes. So the next two rows are probably going to be her shoes. So yeah, I'm going to clean up. Actually, hold on. I lied. So I cut that off while I was building that. So yeah. So this shelf is going to build normal in here. It's going to be 3 high with the top shelf for stuff. Here's the truck. It's broken, but it still drives. Park is broken in it, so we put it in park. It just rolls. I gotta fix that. Later project. And then we're gonna do some more organization when that gets done in that one. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this part 1 of 2 of me building shelves in the garage. Shoe shelf hopefully will be done in the next part. We'll see when we get more materials. I have enough wood to build that, but I might as well just get everything else to build the other shelf. So, hope you all enjoyed. See you in the next one.